I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, May 11th. One more nice day today. Then wet weather at times this weekend. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network at the insane hour of 5 a.m. Look at the Clanton City Hall. Nice, clear, and cool. There's the Auburn Skycam down in Lee County. And way down south, there's a look at the Skycam in Daphne on the eastern shore of Mobile Bay. Off in the distance, you can see the lights of the city of Mobile across the bay. Pretty little vigorous system over Texas this morning, and that's slowly moving our way. And you can see a surface low is located over South Texas, and that thing will be slowly moving northeast. And that, with the upper feature, will bring a wet weekend to the state for Mother's Day. But, man, it feels good this morning. Still see some 40s up on that map. Upper 40s at Haleyville and Fort Payne, mostly low and mid-50s elsewhere. Here's the big batch of storms that is off of the Texas coast now. That produced some severe weather last night with tornado and severe thunderstorm warnings aplenty. Up on the watch warning map in advance of that, we've got flash flood watches today for parts of southeast Texas and south Louisiana. And look at all those frost advisories up north here in the middle part of May. Hey, rain for the next 5 days. Numbers are really ramping up, and this is good. I know it's inconvenient, but May rain is a good thing. Bottom line is, this is suggesting rain amounts of 3 to 4 inches here over the next 5 days. This is valid through Tuesday evening of next week. Let's look at modeling. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. The trough that's brought this nice, cool, dry air is moving away from us. The feature over Texas is slowly approaching. The circulation is southwest of Childress. And down below that, a beautiful day here. Big rains likely off to the south and west. The high today should be at or just over 80 in most spots. Tomorrow, as we kick off the weekend, we will likely see developing showers and storms. I do not think it rains all day. Rain probably progressing from west to east. Temperatures will depend on, where the rain begins, where it starts early in the day. Won't get out of the 70s. Maybe parts of East Alabama will see low 80s tomorrow. Sunday, Mother's Day, just looking wet with rain and storms. We'll be in the 70s all day, and that looks just pretty wet. In fact, the statistical 24-hour probability of precipitation off the GFS is at 98%. Yeah, it's going to rain. Then on Monday of next week, we've still got that weakness over us, and down below that, the air seems to be slightly drier as the surface low moves a little to the east. So just maybe on Monday, the coverage of the rain will diminish a bit. Tuesday, we've still got a moist air mass. The surface low is well to the east, but that's suggesting at least some chance of scattered showers. Warm and muggy with a high probably in the low 80s. Same thing on Wednesday. And Thursday, we stay in moist air. You can see every day next week there'll be some chance of showers. And a week from today, by golly, we've got a little weak surface low that's over northwest Alabama, and that still looks relatively wet. So after today, some chance of rain really every day for the next 7 days. Let's go out there 4 more days. There's the bogus tropical storm of the week on the long-range GFS in the eastern Gulf. I'll say this, it's been persistent. It's been there for days. And on the 24th, it comes up through the South Atlantic coast. The thing is over around Augusta and Savannah, Georgia. And on the 26th, look at the little trough over the southeast. And if that's right, things would be nice and quiet. And again, we see no evidence of any tornado-type weather here for the next 2 weeks and really for the rest of the month of May. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. Don't forget to watch us on the live stream or the television side this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.
The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.